Yo, 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 this is Saul, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. In this video, we are going to maximize Steven, and I'm not sure if I already taught him his moves. I don't think so. So with that said, let's just teach him a couple of moves.
This should come in handy.
Best there is.
This should come in handy.
And what does best there is do? Raises the user's defense, ensures that the user's next attack will be a critical hit. If Metagross's Mega Evolve makes the user be able to endure the next hit it takes. And guys, I got Steven again couple of days ago, and now his sync move level is 2 out of 5. So yeah, that's something. Passive skills, Power Chain,
This should come in handy.
and Impervious Learn.
This should come in handy.
And with that said, guys, we have finished teaching him all his moves. Now it's time to unlock his level cap. Level 1, guys. We'll do Ethan soon. I kind of push it to the side. Unlock level 55.
I'm curious to see how much stronger we can get.
Unlocking level 70.
I'm curious to see how much stronger we can get.
85.
I'm curious to see how much stronger we can get.
100. I think I'll run out of gym leader notes, guys.
I'm curious to see how much stronger we can get.
I think I ran out. Yes, indeed. Buff blend. I need around, let's just say 100, or not really 100. 53 and 10 gym leader notes. So let's just go to shop. Exchange items. We can do this actually, but no, I won't do that. I'll just go to the dragon that rules the sky. Wait, no. Never mind, guys. I'll get my gym leader notes here because I get 10 immediately in one round. And I said I need an ultra buff blend, 100. So let's just exchange one. And with that said, guys, I think we have enough items. Unlock level cap of Steven to 120.
I'm curious to see how much stronger we can get.
And that's it. He is at max. Now, if you want to make him even stronger, there's increased potential. And, you can give him your 5-star power-ups or limited 5-star power-ups if you have them. And I have 17 and I won't give it to him. I'll save them for later. You can also have Synchrid. I think his Synchrid is totally unlocked. And you can, teach him whatever to make him stronger. It's your choice. Synchrid, totally your choice. How to level up your characters. Personally, I think the most developed Synchrid I have is my 4-star Flint, which is kind of not so good. I'll probably reset this soon because this is a haphazard build. I'll reset this soon. And the best Synchrid I have is Price, but it's still in progress. Totally haven't done anything with it. And you can either get those sync orbs by playing your characters, get sync orb chance, use them to use sync moves, or co-op. I have 5,050 of these co-op sync orbs, and you can probably convert them to 500, but I won't. Anyway, guys, level up. Steven. Not sure if I have enough. Yes, I do. Okay, and with that said, this is leveling up Steven to 120 We're using 169 of these 3-star level up manuals. I'll place this. I won't skip the animation. Enjoy watching, guys. Enjoy.
Strongest there is right now.
And with that said, guys, that is Steven at level 120. Yay! Thank you guys for watching. If you didn't skip that, you're crazy. Anyway, thank you so much. And if you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Can we actually view Steven at... can we actually view Steven right now? Is there a way to view his stats at maximum with increased potential? I think it's index, but I'm not sure if it actually shows your characters at full potential. So, I don't have Leaf yet. Oh, come on. And where are your stats? Max level, but I'm not sure. 443384. Let's compare. 443384. Four, 43384, guys. So that doesn't show his increased potential state. So this is how Steven can actually go once his potential is some sort of increase. So it can go even higher than that. And with that said, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.